Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the Jio phone has an active Jio SIM and mobile data. Without data, Hotspot won't share internet. Once done, turn on mobile data and confirm signal bars are solid, then open settings and navigate to network, tethering, and portable hotspot. I'm telling you this now because starting here avoids backtracking. Next, you'll set the hotspot name and password, make them simple to type yet secure. Pay attention to data limits. You don't want unexpected charges. Now you configure the hotspot details. Set a clear SSID and a WPA2 password of at least 8 characters so devices connect securely. Once you choose the frequency, pick 4 GHz if the Jio phone offers it. It connects more devices reliably versus 5 GHz. After that, enable the hotspot and adjust the timeout or keep it always on if you expect frequent connections. Make sure to monitor connected devices. You can disconnect unknown clients to protect your data and speed. Finish by connecting your laptop or phone. Choose the SSID, type the password exactly, and confirm the client obtains an IP and internet access. If you don't get online, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then mobile data. Reboot the Jio phone if necessary. Also verify APN settings match your carrier and limit the number of connected devices to preserve speed. One key troubleshooting tip: restart the Jio network stack by removing and reinserting the SIM. This often clears stubborn registration or APN problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.